Hi, this is Adinaya, pursuing final year civil engineering in KVCET. During my third year, I completed a peer group project on CO2 curing rig. I have collected CO2 from the cement industry and used it for the curing purpose, and also I have obtained a result of 84% when compared to the normal. I have replaced the fine aggregate by wood and ash and the sugarcane basis for the better result. Also, I have made preliminary tests on water absorption test, abrasion test, compression test on the basis of 7 days, 14 days, 81 days to obtain better results. Brick is made with the partial replacement of wooden ash and sugarcane basage ash for fine aggregate in the ratio of 1:5. The emission of CO2 gas is high in cement factories, hence the emitted CO2 gases are collected and consumed for curing of cement bricks. The main finding of this investigation is that two types of waste materials could be reused successfully as partial substitutes for the fine aggregate and the cement brick, and also economical suitable bricks were manufactured, and also the curing time has been reduced using carbon dioxide. The curing time is shortened about 84% in CO2 curing when compared to the normal curing. To evaluate these replacement on fine aggregate, a preliminary material test such as specific gravity, fineness module test, initial setting time and final setting time, and laboratory test such as compressive stress and water absorption test were carried out for 7, 14, 28 days, and the result has been attained at a rate of 90%. Also, it is eco-friendly and produce less amount of heat production. It results in reduction of artificial applicants and also helps to lead healthy life by releasing less amount of CO2. Thank you.